Hello everyone, my name is Ayush and today I am here to give a video presentation on the topic objective of cost accounting and dissimilarities between cost and financial accounting. What is cost accounting? Cost accounting is a business practice in which we record, examine, summarize and study the company's cost spent on any process, service, product or anything else in the organization. This helps the organization in controlling cost and making strategic planning and decision on improving cost efficiency. It is a process via which we can determine cost of goods and services. Features of cost accounting. First, it is a process of accounting cost. Second, it provides important information for managerial decisions. Third, it is concerned with the ascertainment of cost, cost control, and cost record. Fourth, provide costing data that helps in fixing price of goods and services. Fifth, it establishes budgets and standards so that actual cost may be compared to determine deviations. Objective of cost accounting. The objective of cost accounting are ascertainment of cost, fixation of selling price, proper recording and presentation of cost data, cost reduction, ascertaining the profit of each activity, and guidance of management. The following are the main objectives of cost accounting. First, ascertainment of cost. To ascertain the cost per unit of different products manufactured by the business concern. In this, cost accounting helps the business for ascertaining the cost of different products. Second, to provide basis for operating policies. Cost accounting helps the management in formulation of policies. Cost accounting provides useful information for taking various managerial decisions. Third, cost control. The objective is to minimize the cost of manufacturing. Comparison of actual cost with standards reveal the variances. If the variances are adverse, the management try to investigate and adopt corrective action immediately. Difference between cost and financial accounting. Financial accounting is mainly concerned with recording, classifying, and summarizing financial transactions according to generally accepted accounting concepts and conventions. The information provided by the financial accounting is summarized in various financial statements at the end of the year. Both financial accounting and cost accounting are concerned with systematic recording and presentation of financial data. Financial accounting reveals the profit or loss of the business as whole during at a particular period, where cost accounting shows the detailed cost and profit data for various department products, etc. Here is the difference between financial accounting and cost accounting. The first basis is purpose. The purpose of financial statement is to show the correct financial position of the organization. Financial accounting involves of preparing financial statements. In cost accounting, the purpose is to calculate cost of each unit of the product on the basis of which we can take accurate decision for selling the product of the business, for setting up the price, selling price of the business, etc. The second one is period. Period of reporting of financial accounting is at the end of the year. Every business firm every business firm make their financial statement, that is trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet at the end of the year. Reporting under cost accounting is done as per the requirement of management or as required basis. The aim of financial accounting is to maintain the complete record of financial transaction, and the main aim of cost accounting is controlling and reduction of cost. Every business firm wants to reduce its manufacturing costs, so cost accounting helps in reduction of cost. The last one is stock valuation. Stock is valued at the cost price or market price, whichever is less in financial accounting. In cost accounting, stocks are valued at a cost price. Thank you.